Baka.
Did you eat your... Gusto niya. Uy! Mahulog na papaa! Breakfast. Luto ako ng breakfast. Today is Monday. Balik eskwela si Yuri. Ayan, nakabili kami ng sausage kahapon sa Dumaguete. Si Dimitri, gusto niya ganyan pagkaluto sa ego. Yung walang overcook. Yung walang crisp. Gusto ko naman yung may crispy sa side. Si Dimitri gusto niya ganyan lang. Mga tanim ko ditong herbs. Lilipat pa. Ito yung cilantro. Back to school si kuya. Si baby Mir. Stay lang siya sa bahay. Maliligo kami. Mag-snorkeling kami while waiting for Yuri sa school. Punta kami ng beach. Bye, wave. Waving to Abigail. Asa si Abigail? Andun si Abigail.
Lubos madayag kay gamay.
Wave! Hi, Abigail! Hapit na ta magdula!
Ano na pa Maria?
May ano sila, earthquake. Earthquake drill. Nag-earthquake drill ang mga bata. Laging may lindol dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. Ayun si Yuri. Low tide. Napaka low tide ngayon. Last time din napunta kami dito, low tide. We rest from the kids today? No, not today. Just for 2 hours. Nalinaw ng tubig ngayon. Dun banda, dun sa malalim na area. Medyo may mga marumi. Merong mga hindi masyadong clear yung water. Not so clear.
Yeah, I think it's more also
Cleaning,
multiplying,
multiplying.
growing.
Yeah, parang hindi masyadong clear. Pero dito naman banda, tsaka doon, napakalinaw ng tubig. And then dito sa mababaw lang, napakalinaw. Sabi nga ni Anya, sobrang, wow! Ang ganda, sobrang linaw kasi last punta namin dito. I think maulan yun. Hindi maganda yung weather noon and mahangin. So, hindi clear. Ngayon napakalinaw. Except doon banda sa malalim. We'll pick up Yuri and magstay si Anya dyan. Mag-sunbathing muna daw siya. Did you eat your carrots and banana? Good job. Ay, sorry. Put on your shoes na. Yeah, that's yours. Put on na. Let's go. Bring your bag, kuya. You should be the one to bring it. To carry it. That's right. Very good. Is it summer again? It's very hot today. How's school today?
I want ice cream. Papa, I want ice cream.
What's your favorite thing you did in school today?
I want ice cream, Papa, from LBY.
You choose small.
Ice cream
small
agad
to
ang
enjoy.
request.
No, ice cream me.
We go to DIY because we're gonna buy some bag for the cat. Bibili kami ng bag para sa aming pusa.
I want to buy.
Yeah, and we'll buy ice cream in LBY. Dahil ipapa-spay namin yung female na pusa namin. Ipapa-spay namin siya bukas. Kailangan namin ng bag para paglagyan sa kanya. Not the best day ever. Don't worry, we're gonna buy ice cream also. What ice cream flavored do you like?
All of them.
All of them.
Do something.
What are you tired of?
Working hard.
Sabi niya, I'm so tired of working hard. What did you work hard?
And some working and some homework.
Some homework, and now you deserve an ice cream for your hard work? Huh? Yeah? And it's so hot today, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Ideal for ice cream. Ideal.
It's gonna cool me off.
Ice cream is gonna cool you off.
Yeah, from the hot.
Yeah.
The cold is there.
There's no other color there?
The first is already
Water. Uy. You miss mama, baby girl? Luto sila ng mashed potato. Ano, mamaya magluluto ako ng fish tinola and pan grilled na isda. Veggies and tangege steak. Very yummy isda. Isdang tangige. Tangige na ito na? Ganyan na lang. Ito, potato. Gagawa si Anya ng mashed potato. And then, magluluto ako ng veggies. Tinola. Hot. What come here? Mash potato. Gawa siya ng mashed potato. Nalak si Yuri sa room. Where is the key here?
You turn. Yeah, turn.
Turn the button. Anak, kabalo man di ay drama. Okay, Chef Yuri wants to help making mashed potato. Gusto niyang mag-chef din. Nah, it's not an easy job.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
It's a hard work.
So,
Done? Okay,
Milk.
go down. Go down. Only Tita make that.
Milk. Mommy, drink milk.
You wanna drink milk? Say, I wanna drink milk, please.
I'll drink milk.
No.
A few moments later.
Chococoy. Medvěděj.
Wow, yummy! Yan ang lunch namin, oh.
Chococoy, svinyo.
Ito luto ko. Ito. Ito, fish tinola. Si Anya nagluto ng, ay gumawa ng mashed potato. Yum!
Yuri, oh.
It's a blend of Filipino and Russian food.
Cooking is a war.
Yeah. International worldwide. International food.
Bring shirt
My
and come
food
here. I will
with
wear.
rice
I will,
and
I'll
mash.
help you.
Можно есть яйца?
Еще
Yummy.
Реально, ты понимаешь, что никогда зима не придет.
Mm. You're so red. You're sunburned. Both of you. Spicy?
Так соуса можно.
I think it's spicy. Tinola. This is tinola. Filipino. Yeah.
Фину?
Ti.
Ти.
Tino.
Тиноа?
Tinola.
Тиноа.
Тянула?
Filipino fish soup. And these leaves, very nutritious, full of vitamins. Leaves.
Полезные.
Moringa,
Moringa.
kalamunggay,
Полезная любовь.
malunggay.
Много витаминов.
The next day.
Good morning, magandang umaga everyone. Sila Dimitri at saka yung kapatid niya ang naghatid kay Yuri sa school. At after nun, punta sila ng veterinary clinic kasi ipapa-spay namin yung babae naming pusa. Tsaka kami dalawa ni Mia. Dito lang kami sa bahay kasi tutulong kami maglinis ngayon dito. Yeah, kaya Diablo, yung dami namin linisin. Na! Makain ng tissue.
Meanwhile.
Итак, сегодня Бака приняла душ. Пахнет вкусно. Юрчик тоже. У нас сегодня кошка, и мы едем еще в ветеринарку. Все дружно.
Я тоже с мокрой кровой.
Но сначала в школу Юрчика отвезти. Все, поехали. Бака у нас блюет иногда в машине, так что... Бака, иди сидеть.
Иди.
Все, спокойно сиди. Молодец. Юрчика. Свинка. Котофейчик, свинчик. Бака, свинчик. Бак тоже микрочип ставим. На Бака. Микрочип хочешь себе? Наверное, нет.
Touch the area that we injected the microchip on. It may go slip out.
Okay.
Maybe for 3 days. 2, 3 days.
She need to use this?
We're gonna
Yeah.
take this off.
She hated. Free. Пойдем.
Mabilis lang napabaksina nila si Baka, and then ayan, after nilang pabaksinan si Baka ay dumaan sila dito sa My Beach area sa Darwin. May dito restaurant, cafe, and mag-breakfast sila, mag-second breakfast snacks, magkape, and relax banding ang dalawang magkapatid while waiting for Yuri na matapos sa school. And nandiyan din si Baka kasama, of course. Yung pusa naman namin ay babalikan na namin mamayang hapon pa daw kasi mamayang hapon ba yun magigising sa kanyang operation. Oh, yoy. Mama's here. Hi. Mama's here. Ligo na ta? Ligo na ikaw? Want to ligo? Hi. Hello. What's your name? Hi. I love you. Baby. I love you. Hi. I love you. Kain na ang bata. Broccoli, carrots, sayote, kalabasa. Yum! Snack time. Ah, yummy. Do the yummy dance. Do the yummy dance. That's her yummy dance. Yummy dance. Welcome back, kuya. Uy! Mahulog na, papa!
Юрий, no.
Ganahan pa dyan. Gugol siya yung kuya. Kuya, don't do that, please. Dangerous.
It's not dangerous. Tonton.
Magluluto ako ng kaunting garlic butter shrimp. Mapasok ka, uy. Yuri, oh, gustong mag-sali-sali dito. Yung kainit kayo, kuya. Ayaw lang, ako lang, mama lang.
Ako.
Dili, okay. Mapisikan ka sa oil. Di ako lang kinapagtung. Bebe, asa ka? Kuya, go to baby niya ko. No, no need to help. It's okay, I can do this. I need your help. You can help me next time. I want you to help me by playing with your sister.
Ой. Try to pull down the chair.
Yummy?
Yeah, very good. Very tasty.
A few moments later.
Pasyal kami sa Dumaguete guys sa Robinson's Mall. May bibilhin daw ang kapatid ni Dimitri. Mag-shopping yata siya. And si Yuri, papalaruin namin sa playground. And ako naman at saka si Mia. Pasyal-pasyal din kami sa Robinson. Si Dimitri magpapagupit siya. Let's go! Why you say bye-bye? Why you say bye-bye? You're coming. You're going with us. I mean, you're going with us. We arrived in Robinson. Si Anya, iniwan namin sa Uniqlo. Mag-shopping daw siya sa Uniqlo. Kasi walang Uniqlo sa Russia. Sinulit na niya ang Uniqlo dito sa Philippines. Sa Manila, nag-Uniqlo din. Sa Dumaguete, Uniqlo din. Dadalhin ko lang si Yuri sa playground. Si Dimitri naman nagpunta ng barbershop. You don't wanna go to playground? Where would you like to go? Buy toy, okay. Only one, huh? And not so expensive, okay?
Meanwhile,
Loading time tomorrow is 9 o'clock.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Ayaw ni Kuya mag-playground. Bibili daw siya ng toy sa taas. It's open now. Open! Okay, let them pass first. Kuya, only one toy and not so big and not so expensive. Okay? Big! Kakatakot naman yan. Ang mata ay. Horror. Bilan ko si Baby Mia ng food container. Baunan. Pang travel. Na, mahala na. Uy, ayaw na. So expensive. Ayaw na. No. That's very expensive, Kuya, please. No, not that one. Very expensive. Yuri, you can buy expensive toy on your birthday, but not on ordinary day. Huh? Choose something cheaper. Cheaper one. Hot Wheels. Gusto niya nitong mga Hot Wheels. Oh, mahal ng mga laruan na to. Oh, Hot Wheels. Ah! Ginoo ko. 1,299. Ambot. Oh! 3,499. Sabi ko sa kanya, pwede siya pumili ng ganyan pag birthday niya. This one you want? Guba lagi na. Choose a new one. That's already guba. Broken. Sword, you want the sword? He changed his mind na naman. Ito na naman bibilhin niya. What did you say? This is the best day ever now.
Mama, I want to hear this.
Sabi niya, this is the best day ever now. Oh, do not touch that. That's very expensive. 1,400. We don't have that money.
For my birthday.
Yeah, next year for your birthday, you can buy expensive one. Kuya, are you happy with your choice? Yeah. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy na ka. Oh, imong request.
Kitty brown boots.
So what do you want to do now? Eat? You want to eat? Where do you want to eat?
Jelly.
Jollibee.
Left at Valencia.
Yeah, cute. Now you're a fries. Happy dance. Come on, happy dance. Laro na si Kuya. Ah,
Away, I'm gonna miss you, okay?
what?
Don't go away.
Why?
I'm gonna miss you.
You gonna miss me?
Don't go anywhere, okay?
Okay, I'll stay here. I just walk around here, around the fence. Sabi niya, don't go anywhere, Mama. I'm gonna miss you. Tapos kanina sabi niya, Mama, I miss Papa. Nagpa-haircut lang yung papa niya doon sa may other side of Dumaguete. Nagtitaan niya na, ewan ko, nasana yon. Binalikan namin sa Uniqlo, wala na siya doon. Baka nagpunta ng ibang tindahan. Papa Guapo, new haircut.
Сколько? Так, вот этот уже лучше. И что? XL. Ничего себе, здорово. You going?
Alright, thank you. Did you have fun? Yeah? You were so bored there? He got so bored. No, we just bought something there in the store. Papa will buy glasses now.
Papa.
Where's Papa? Sit here with me, dali. We're gonna wait for Dimitri kasi bumili siya ng eyeglasses. Nagpa-check up siya sa kanyang mata. Drink na.
Mama, what flavor is it?
Mango,
I don't like
strawberry. Yummy?
It's tea.
Bili kami ng balloon somewhere here in Dumaguete.
Сейчас одел немножко.
Number na balloon
Я думаю,
para sa birthday ni
не,
Anya.
немного глубже.
Sa susunod na araw. After tomorrow, birthday niya. And tomorrow, punta kami ng Siquijor, guys. Doon namin i-celebrate yung birthday niya. 2 araw kami sa Siquijor. I don't know, ilang taon na siya. I think 35 si Dimitri, 2 agwat. Mga 37 na siya or... 3 years pala agwat nila. Mga 38 na siya.
Я до сих пор не вижу.
After tomorrow.
Глаз, алюминий. We put some крем и анестезия.
And to make him sleep, Papa?
Yeah.
Hey, you alive! The cat is back from surgery. Hindi na siya mabubuntis. Na-spay na siya. Yuri, that's for the cat. That's for the
I'm just
cat.
gonna bring it on my head.
So silly. Baby sis, that's our cat. Poor.
A few moments later.
Going outer space. Outer space. Going out tree.
We just got home.
I want.
And
I want.
my... Yan, kinulong ni Dimitri ang female cat namin si Everest. Kasi kailangan niya magpahinga ng 3 days after ng kanyang operation. Ng kanyang surgery. So, kailangan niyang ikulong dyan para hindi siya ma-stress at hindi ma-infection yung sugat niya. Ang kapatid niya dyan. Temporary lang. Dito namin siya nalagay sa loob ng bahay kasi maraming aso sa labas. Si Marshall, baka
Fire cannon.
atakihin siya ni Marshall. Ma-stress siya. Nag-prepare si Anya ng salad, vegetable salad. Araw-araw talaga sila kumakain ng salad. Or cucumber or tomato lang. Hindi pwede sa kanila ang walang salad sa isang araw. Kailangan may salad talaga. Nasanay na sila sa restaurant. Ganyan sila.
What's my rocket?
Everyday kumakain ng fresh salad.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go! But mas masarap doon ang cucumber at kamatis nila, mga achal. Masarap kainin yung achal. Yeah! Masarap kainin yung mga achal sa kanila kasi super juicy at saka malambot. Hindi kagaya dito na medyo...
I wish I could be a pilot. I wish I could be an astronaut.
You wanna be an astronaut?
Like this.
And a pilot? Or a pilot?
Astronaut.
Si Yuri sobrang talkative. Chatterbox talaga si Yuri. Alright, let's video it. Careful. Nabili ni Yuri nga. Laruan kanina. Yeah. Chicken breast for dinner.
We ate our PB&Js and went outside to get some fresh air. I just love Colorado. I love the mountains. And after many, many hours on the road, we arrived to maybe the coolest container home in
Baby, what are you eating? Baby's eating lemon. Yummy lemon. Lolo. Hala, nastanap siya. Nastanap siya. Lemon. So yummy. Look at that face. So sweet, yeah. Liga. Nice warm bath. Sana all fresh bath. Sana all nakaligo na. Sana all fresh na.